Hello everyone. Welcome to Physics with Akshay Goli. Today we're going to talk about length. What is length? Well, it's not just how long your hair is or how long you can hold your breath. Length is a physical quantity that measures the distance between 2 points in space. Length is one of the 7 fundamental units in the International System of Units, which means that it cannot be expressed in terms of other units. The SI unit of length is the meter, which is defined as the distance traveled by light in a vacuum in 1/299,792,458 of a second. That's pretty fast, huh? But why do we need to measure length? Well, length is important for many reasons. For example, if you want to build a bridge, you need to know how long it should be and how much material you need. If you want to travel from one place to another, you need to know how far it is and how long it will take. If you want to compare the sizes of different objects, you need to know their lengths. And if you want to do physics experiments, you need to measure length accurately and precisely. How do we measure length? Well, there are many ways to do that. You can use a ruler, a tape measure, a laser pointer, a GPS device, or even your own body parts. But whatever you use, you need to make sure that it is calibrated and consistent with the SI unit of length. Otherwise, you might get wrong results or confuse yourself and others. For example, if I tell you that this pencil is 10 centimeters long, but you use a ruler that has inches instead of centimeters, you might think that the pencil is much shorter than it really is. So remember, length is a physical quantity that measures the distance between 2 points in space. It is one of the 7 fundamental units in the SI system, and its unit is the meter. Length is important for many applications, and we can measure it using various tools and methods. But we need to be careful and use the same unit of length when we communicate with others. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. See you next time on Physics with Akshay Goli. Thank you.